Hello once again, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's been a while and I hope today we'll get to enjoy one of our beautiful recipes. Today we're going to make spinach oat flour cookies. So we're going to use our oat flour with spinach, dates as a sweetener, and also mix it with raisins. The first thing I'm going to do is to prepare our chia seeds. So the chia seeds is going to act as an alternative for our egg in this recipe. We have before shared a recipe to make chia seed egg, but I'm going to just go ahead and do a bit of that. So for this I'll need to grind our chia seeds into a chia seed powder. So these are the chia seeds. I'm going to go ahead and grind them into a fine powder that we're going to use to make our chia seed egg. So I'll go ahead and blend this. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and grind this into a fine powder. After grinding our chia seeds, we have a chia seed powder. So to make the chia seed egg, I'll put 2 teaspoons of the chia seed powder. I'll go ahead and put not teaspoon but tablespoon. So to this I'll add 6 tablespoons of water. Yes, I'll go ahead and mix this. So this 2 tablespoons is an equivalent of 2 eggs. I'm going to go ahead and prepare the spinach. I'll go ahead and add half a cup of dates. Then I'll also add another half cup of raisins. To this I'll add 1 glass of water. Then I'll go ahead and blend into a smooth paste. So after our blending process, this is the paste we have. So these are spinach, dates, raisin, and a glass of water. So this is what I'm going to use now to knead our dough. For this I'm going to use 2 glasses of oat flour. So to this flour I'll add a pinch of salt. After adding a pinch of salt, I'll go ahead and mix before I add the other wet ingredient. Yeah, so I'll add our egg. So I'll go ahead and mix this evenly. So this is a dough that I'm now going to roll into small round balls that I'm going to later shape into circular disc that will make out the shape of our cookies. So I'll make small, I'll shape the flour into round balls, sizable. This is what will make our cookies. I'll go ahead and preheat my oven to around 175 degrees Celsius. So I'll first smear our baking pan with some olive oil as well to ensure that our cookies don't stick to the pan while they are cooking. after cooking for 30 minutes, these are our cookies. They're super delicious.